Hey guys, and welcome to today's video where we're going to show you an update that we did towards the template section. We have now integrated the automatic copying of attached Google Sheets inside of templates, meaning that if you have Google Sheets actions inside of templates, now the template or the Google Sheet itself will also be attached towards this template. When a template will then be installed, it will also be installed with the Google Sheet on your own Google account. So Uchat will basically make a copy of the Google Sheet that is being used and put in the sample data along with creating that Google Sheet. So this saves a really lot of time because otherwise you would need to basically redo and reset all the Google Sheet actions inside of your templates because you will need to connect towards your own copy of the Google Sheet. You would then need to first make a copy, install it onto your own Google Sheet account, and then implement it inside of your template. So this is all done directly for you. So the way it works is if we are going to create a template. So let's create a template and let's select one of my chatbots, subflow templates, and let's go with the agency template. And let's leave it at these flows. That's fine for now. If we go towards the next step now, and you can see that we have a required Google Sheets section now. Inside this section, you will see the Google Sheets name that is being used inside the template flows, along with the worksheet name. On the right-hand side, you will be able to also copy over the sample data. So if you want to basically copy over the sample data, you just need to checkmark these, as you can see here. Below are just template field names. I will leave them blank for now because we now want to focus on the required Google Sheets action update. If we say next, we can give it a name. So let's say this will be the agency template demo. And let's call the description demo. Let's do it the 1.0 and let's create the subflow template. Once this is done, we can now copy over the link, right? There we go. And we can now basically log into any of the workspaces where we want to install this template. Let's go with an empty workspace. First, make sure that before installing that you have a working and connected Google Sheets account already. So go towards the integrations tab, go towards Google Sheets, and then connect your Google Sheet account. Once connected, also make sure that you have a chatbot already inside of this workspace. So I will create one really quickly. And now we have the chatbot created. And we also have the Google Sheets integration already done inside this workspace. The only thing left is now to basically install the template that we just created. So let me just paste that in. Let's go and install the template. You will now also see that the Google Sheets will be created automatically if Google Sheets integration is connected. And you will see an overview of everything that will basically be installed on your connected Google account, right? And to make clear and show that we do not have anything prior on the separate Google account, let me just log in there. As you can see on this Google account, you will see that this is my connected Google account, and if I search for agency template, nothing has been installed. If we take a look at the agency template Google Sheets account, then you will see that we have a few worksheets here that can be integrated as well. So let's go and install this demo, select the chatbot, and then say install now. Takes a few seconds and a little bit more because we also need to create the Google Sheet, right? If we go to open the chatbot now, we have all the flows as normal, right? And if I refresh this page, right, then we should now also see an agency template appearing. And if we take a look here, we now have the agency template Google Sheets, right, directly copied over towards our alternate Google account, which is connected to the alternate workspace where we just installed the template. And you can see that all the information has been copied over. So this is the new update that allows you to basically copy over the Google Sheet on full autopilot. You don't have to make a copy yourself manually, install it into your own Google account, reset all the Google Sheet actions. That is no longer necessary as well, because if we take a look in all the Google Sheets templates, for example, if we go to the FAQ, you will see that if we go here and open this spreadsheet, it will go directly towards your own Google account. So this is automatically being done for you. All the Google Sheet actions remain intact, and you do not have to reset everything manually every single time that you install a template. So this is a huge time saver. A few things to note to make this integration possible. The first thing is that the Google Sheet name of the Google Sheet that needs to be copied over does not exist in the alternate Google Sheet account. Otherwise, you will have issues in copying over because the name already exists. And that will most likely leave a blank Google Sheet in your Google account. So that is the first thing that you need to keep in mind. Also keep in mind that if you are testing this and you want to do another test, you need to remove the existing Google Sheet from your alternate account. Not only remove it from the Google Sheets, over at your Google Drive, because soon as you delete something from your Google Docs, your Google Sheets, it will end up in your trash bin inside the Google Drive. So do remove it there as well. But as you can see, it's a really big time saver, especially for large templates, where a lot of dynamic Google Sheets fetching is happening there, right? So we hope you like this new update, which should save you a lot of time and a lot of energy. And this is all done for you on complete autopilot. If you have any questions or any issues, do let us know and we will be happy to help you out. For now, have a great day, take care and have fun building.